2018 GMC Yukon Review. The Yukon can conduct 9 people and tow quite a lot, however its shortcomings, as well as price, allow it to be hard to recommend. The 2018 GMC Yukon occupies what little space there is certainly between the related Chevrolet Tahoe and also the Cadillac Escalade. Though less premium as opposed to Escalade, it can offer a few more luxuries and features as opposed to Tahoe. Like its siblings, the Yukon offers available seating for 9 with an impressive towing capacity. You also get a lot of standard equipment. However, the Yukon's road manners and cargo utility rent properly, as well as its elevated price when compared to Tahoe, pits it against a lot more luxurious vehicles. Buyers who demand the towing capacity of the body-on-frame SUV should examine the all-new Ford Expedition and Lincoln Navigator. Both promise impressive capability but more utility and comfort as opposed to Yukon. Those who required 3 rows but they are willing to sacrifice towing capacity have many options. The Audi Q7 has excellent driving dynamics and many advanced technology options. The Acura MDX is similarly well paved on the streets and offers a lot of luxury trimmings. The price of the very best trim Yukon Dinley even is really a competitor from the entry-level Mercedes-Benz GLS class, making up just what it lacks in quite happy with a much more upscale interior and refined driving experience. What's new? A 10-speed automatic transmission is actually standard around the Yukon Dinley. There have been some minor changes on the Yukon's appearance and towards the contents of some options packages. Unless seating for 9 people can be a necessity, the SLT trim. This trim level's tilt and telescoping wheel and power adjustable pedals mean the car can accommodate more at-ease driving positions for almost all buyers. It also adds some useful features including power-folding second and third row seats, a hands-free liftgate and proximity entry with push-button start. Trim levels and features. The 2018 GMC Yukon is often a full-size SUV offered in SLE, SLT and Dinley trim levels. Most Yukons seat 8 passengers, but an optional front bench seat for the SLE trim boosts the capacity to 9. Second row bucket seats are available about the SLT trim and standard for the Dinley. They reduce passenger ability to 7. GMC offers 2 different engines determined by trim level. SLE and SLT models have a 5.3-litre V8 engine which causes 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque. It is paired to your 6-speed automatic transmission that sends power on the rear wheels. 4-wheel drive can be acquired with a single-speed transfer case that is certainly optional for all those trims, as well as a top-speed transfer case with low-range gearing is obtainable. The Yukon Dinley is powered by way of a 6.2-litre V8 which causes 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque. It comes standard having a new 10-speed automatic and rear-wheel drive. The optional 4-wheel drive carries a standard top-speed transfer case. Standard features for your SLE trim include 18-inch wheels, heated mirrors, fog lights, side steps, roof rails, back and front parking sensors, automatic wipers, cruise control, remote keyless entry and ignition, and also a trailer hitch receiver having a wiring harness. On the within, you have an automatic climate control, front bucket seats which has a 10-way power adjustable driver seat, 6040 split folding second and third row seats, a tilt-and leather up tire, a 10-driver monitoring system, on-star communications including a 4G LTE connection plus a Wi-Fi hotspot, a 110-volt household power outlet, Bluetooth, an 8-inch touch screen, a rear-view camera, 5 USB ports, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a Bose 9-speaker audio system using a CD player and satellite radio. The optional enhanced driver alert package adds forward collision warning with low speed automatic braking, automatic high beams, and lane departure warning and intervention. The convenience package adds an electric liftgate, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, power adjustable pedals as well as a universal garage door opener. The SLT trim includes all in the above, along which has a hands-free liftgate, power folding mirrors, an auto-dimming driver side mirror, blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, keyless entry and ignition, leather upholstery, a heated and power tilt telescoping tire, 12-way power adjustable front seats, heated and ventilated front seats, heated second row seats, power folding second and third row seats, driver seat memory functions and also a wireless charging pad. The top-off-the-line Deanly trim adds the greater engine and 10-speed transmission, 20-inch wheels, xenon headlights, adaptive suspension dampers, a trailer brake controller, a head-up display, active noise cancellation, second-row bucket seats, a navigation system and also a 10-speaker surround sound system. Some features on higher trimmed models are offered on supporting models at additional cost. Optional features for SLE and SLT trims include 22-inch wheels with an HD trailering package, unique axle ratio, trailer brake controller along with a self-leveling suspension. The SLT and Deanly qualify for a sunroof, adaptive cruise control with automatic braking, and also a rear seat entertainment system. The Deanly offers power retractable side steps and adaptive cruise control. Driving. The base V8 feels strong, but only in the event you really stomp about the gas. Otherwise, the Yukon's sluggish throttle response and soft brake pedal make for just a disconnected driving experience. Maneuverability in tight spaces can also be an issue. Comfort. The cabin is impressively quiet, and also the front seats provide all-day comfort. The base suspension manages sharp impacts well, but surprisingly small road imperfections often give the cockpit the shakes. The powerful air cooling has no issue regulating cabin temperatures. Interior. The controls are really easy to find and make use of. The big doors, side steps and grab handles mean entry and exit is actually comparatively easy for this sort of tall vehicle. There's a good amount of room with the first two rows, even so the third row incorporates a high floor and lacks legroom in comparison with smaller competitors. Utility. An impressive maximum tow of 8,400 pounds and lots of small item storage inside cabin are definite strengths. But the cargo area includes a high floor that produces loading and unloading difficult, and space for storing behind your third row lags behind competitors, even significantly smaller ones. Technology. Even the bottom Yukon includes Android Auto and Apple CarPlay and also a 4G hotspot with Wi-Fi. The GMC infotainment system can also be generally convenient to use. There are lots of safety features, and driver aids including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist are offered.